how to fix a tax-free savings account with CIBC. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So it's a quick and simple. First visit the CIBC website or open the CIBC mobile banking app. If you're new to CIBC, you need to create an account online or visit a branch to get started. Once login, go to the products and service section, select savings and the retirement under menu. Find this click and tax-free savings account. Next, choose the type of TFSA you like to open. CIBC offers options like savings account or gigs or the investing TFSA. For those interested in the stocks, ETFs or the mutual funds, fill out your personal details including your name, address, social insurance number and the employment information. We will be asked about your savings goal and investment preference. After completing the application, link your CBC account to fund your TFSA. You can make a one-time deposit or set up the automatic contribution to stay on the top of your annual TFSA contribution. Once when you start investing in the eligible products to grow your savings tax-free, that's it. Your CIBC tax-free savings account is ready to help you build your financial future. Thanks for watching.